Hey, what's up, high levelers? In today's video, we're going to see how to set up coupons for your courses or memberships in Go High Level. Now, as you all know, it is Q4, so that means it's going to be Black Friday and Christmas ahead. So it's a perfect time for you to set up coupons and discounts for your audience. So let's jump into Go High Level and see how we can set it up. All right, so before we start creating a coupon, we actually have to enable it, and you can do so by clicking on settings here and then going all the way down and clicking on labs. Now, labs is where you can test out the new features before everyone else. All you have to do is search for membership here, and you can see we have membership coupons. So just enable that by clicking here. Now, let's head back to the memberships area. So I'm just going to click here, and then under courses, we're going to click on products. Now, you can see that I already have a product or a course here. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by clicking on create product here and then selecting the category. For now, I'm just going to return back to the products again and select my course here. Now, once you're here, you have to click on offers. As you can see, I do not have an offer right now, so I cannot sell this course or membership. So in order to do that, we have to head over to courses again, and then under that, we're going to go to offers. Then we have to select create offer, and here we will actually input some details about the course. Under the title, I'm going to put in my course title, and then under products, we have to choose the product or the course that we have. Then under pricing name, you can name it the price that you will be charging. And then under type, you can do one-time or recurring. An important note here is that if you don't have Stripe connected, it will not allow you to do one-time or recurring payment. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on one-time. And I'm going to input the amount here. And then you can also do the price text override if you want to. I'm just going to leave that as is. And you can select the payment mode either to test or live if you want to. So I'm just going to hit create here. Now, as you can see, the offer is done. So if we hit on preview here, it will show us how the checkout looks like. And this is what we have. We have the title on the left, and then we have email and full name on the right. Now, you can see we don't have an option to add the discount coupon yet. So let's head back to the offer again and then enable this toggle button which says allow checkout to accept coupons. So as soon as we do that and hit save and then hit preview here, you will see that it will now allow us to enter the coupon code right here. So now we have that option, right? Now the last bit that we have to do is, of course, create a coupon code. So let's head back to Go High Level. So I'm going to go to payments here and then click on coupons. Now we have to create a new coupon here. I'm going to name my coupon early bird discount. And for the coupon code, I'm going to do EBD20. That makes sense for this. And then we have a coupon type. So either we can do a percentage coupon or a fixed one. So let's go with percentage for now. I'm going to offer 20% off. And now we have to select a start date. So start date, as you can see, it is required. So the sooner you can do is like today. So it starts right away. And then end date and end time is optional, including start time as well. Now, the last couple of options we have, the first one is limit the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed. So if I only want the first people to use this coupon, I can write 50 here and it won't allow more than that. And the last option we have is limit to selected products. Now, this is a really important one because if you only want the coupon to work on a specific course or product, you have to select this option and then select your course right here. Once you're satisfied, just hit on create and we are done. Now I'm going to copy this code right here, go back to the memberships area and then paste this right here. So let's hit and apply. You can see we have $100 amount here. So let's click apply and you can see we have a 20% off, which is $20. So this coupon works. And you can do the same thing for your courses and memberships. All right, so that was all about setting up coupons and discounts in Go High Level. I hope you liked this video. Do try this feature out and get some sales for your courses.